Geography Class 10, Chapter 1, Resources and Development. On the basis of ownership, resources are classified into mainly four groups: individual, community owned, national, and international. Individual resources are resources that are owned privately by individual. इंडिविजुअल रिसोर्सेज उसे कहेंगे जो किसी व्यक्ति विशेष का हो, किसी एक इंडिविजुअल का हो। लेकिन जब हम कम्युनिटी रिसोर्स की बात करते हैं तो पूरे समाज से जुड़ा हुआ, पूरी सोसाइटी से जुड़ा हुआ। जैसे पार्क, अब वो पार्क किसी एक का नहीं होगा, वो पूरी सोसाइटी का होगा। वही individuals are resources that are owned privately by individuals. Community are resources accessible to all the members of community. Example, grazing grounds. National resources are all the resources that belong to the nation. International resources are regulated by certain international institutions. This includes the oceanic resources beyond 200 km of the exclusive economic zone. Potential resources are resources found in a region which have not been utilized. Examples, wind and solar energy development potential in the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Developed resources are resources that have been surveyed and determined for utilization both qualitatively and quantitatively. The development of resources depends on technology and level of their feasibility. आगे हम लोग देखेंगे स्टॉक एंड रिजर्व्स. Stock refers to materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have the appropriate technology to assess this. Reserves are the subset of the stock which are yet to be put into the use with the help of existing technical know-how. This can be used for meeting future requirement. अब हम लोग आगे नेक्स्ट देखते हैं problems created by indiscriminate use of resources by man. Sustainable development आ गया. Sustainable development, the economic development which does not damage the environment and the same time takes care of the needs of the future generations is called sustainable development. अपने आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए रिसोर्स को बचाए रखना. Resource planning. Resource planning is a technique or skill of proper utilization of resources. रिसोर्स को हम कितनी अच्छी और बेटर ढंग से उसका यूज़ करना, यही हमारा रिसोर्स प्लानिंग है. अब इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ रिसोर्स प्लानिंग है, वो हमारे लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है. तो रिसोर्स को बचाना है, रिसोर्स को कंजर्व करना है. रिसोर्स कंजर्वेशन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. Gandhi ji's ideas on resource conservation. According to Gandhi ji, there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. Yes, लालच के लिए जगह नहीं है, लालच कभी ख़त्म हो ही नहीं सकता. लेकिन ज़रूरत की बात की जाए तो हमारे पास रिसोर्स का अंबार है, भंडार भरा पड़ा है. He was against mass production and wanted to replace it with production by masses. Thank you.